Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and it's amazing news for me. This channel is at nearly 500,000 subscribers, 500,000. Now, when I started making my films 12 years ago in my back garden, that was a number I could never have dreamed of. So I've enjoyed it, but thank you so much for coming along for the journey. I don't usually do things like this on this channel, but 500,000 is such a milestone, I am going to celebrate it early in the new year with a film. So for 5 years now, I've been thinking about a massively misunderstood medieval weapon, and we're going to look at it with potentially explosive results. It is going to be awesome. But that brings me on to my next announcement. I'm really excited to say that I have finally launched a Patreon page. Some of you will know exactly what that is, others won't. But basically it's a site where you can go and donate small amounts of money to the Todd's Workshop channel and just help everything keep going. So it'll allow me to build more things like this and to replace kits that I kill like this. That's great for everyone, and these films are going to continue to be on YouTube. But there are other reasons I'd like you to come and have a look at the Patreon page. As I said, I'm going to be making a potentially explosive film early in the new year. And I'm going to post up my plans and my notes for that for my Patreon members on my Patreon page. You'll be able to get to see stuff like this before I make it. You can interact with it, give me your feedback before I make the films. You can help shape the channel. And that is a massively exciting thing for me. But that's not all. So there's loads of content already, little bits of build blogs, sort of diarisation, other short films. But there's going to be other bigger behind the scenes ones. So I have another series of films planned about this, the folding spertum, the folding spear, basically, winged spear. And it's going to be a really interesting collaboration. You'll get to see it on YouTube, but you're going to see the behind the scenes, the diarising of the whole process on Patreon. And for those of you that are really keen, there are longer versions of some of my YouTube films. Because of course, I put the content in that I want when I'm filming it, the discussion, the experiments, the doing stuff, but that doesn't mean that it all ends up on screen. So it has to get cut down for YouTube. Those longer versions, they'll be available on Patreon. And there is, right now, an amazing film with myself and arrowsmith Will Sherman, where we talk about this sheaf of arrows here for over 2 hours. Yeah, really. So what I'm asking you to do is to go and visit the Patreon page. Have a look at the tiers. See how that can work for you. Come and help me shape the channel. Shape my thinking, develop my thoughts, interact with what's going to be going on. Become a part of the Todd's Workshop channel. So I hope you sign up, and I'll see you again.